And look at Mr. Sam. He is going crazy right now because he wants to be outside. He wants to be outside and getting that, whoever that guy was walking his dog, he wants to be either biting him or playing with him mercilessly. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Danny's Diecast. I'm Danny. And, oh, goodness, yes. And what's this here? What's this here? Wait a second. Look at that. That's a 3000toys.com mug. And you know what I'm going to do? Before we get going, I'm just going to put this on here. And yeah, you know, this, by the way, is the Johnny Lightning version of the Jaguar. Look at this engine. Look at that engine. It opens up right there. My absolute goodness. Look at that Jaguar. And if I could do the voice, I'd do an, yeah, baby. Yes, because I know you guys, there's, well, not a lot of you guys out there, but there's some guys out there that really love Austin Powers. I like Austin Powers. I thought there was a lot of very funny movies in all three of them. Wow. And that is the Jaguar. And I'm just going to reach down under here now, and I'm going to turn this off a while. I'm going to sit him over there, and I'm going to say wonderful, beautiful coffee. Oh. And welcome, guys, to Double Friday. It's a Double Friday. It's about 8:21 in the morning. 8:21. I just woke up. I just had a cup of coffee. Well, this is actually my first cup. And, oh gosh, I just drink out of this. It's very, very hot right now. But what's going on, guys? It's good to see everybody out there. And what is the... Oh. See, you got the Barrett-Jacksons here from Greenlight. You got Barrett-Jackson. And I have 6 of him. But I did, and what's him? What is those big rigs? What is that? Well, I'll show you guys them tomorrow. I don't want you guys to see them just yet today. I'll show you guys them tomorrow. But really, guys, look at this. This is, wow. This is the HKS. And I just want to flip this guy around here. Wow. Look at that. It's a Double Friday, guys, so welcome. And here is the collectors.com, the Double Friday for Hot Wheels collectors. And this is Double Friday, and of course it means, you know, it means so much to me, but these are the premiums. They're metal on metal. Metal on metal, the MBK van, right here from Hot Wheels. My goodness, the HKS van. Wow, look at him, metal body, metal base, real rubber tires. My good, look at this front end. Look at this front end. Look at those. Painted headlights and taillights. What an absolutely beautiful car. Then let's find number 2. Oh, Wow. This is the Bilstein or Bilstein. Bilstein or Bilstein. The premium from Hot Wheels. The Monster Premium metal body, metal base. You see that? That's metal on metal right there. Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. Wow, these have metal bodies, metal bases. Wow, look at that. Look at those big tires on that guy. He is just a crusher. He is a crusher from Bilstein or Bilstein. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. If you guys know, leave it over in the comments for me. I will look right there and I will say, oh, there's Gary's diecast. He knows what it's called and he will be able to, or David Beeson, or David from Twice Diecast. They will know. They will know. Look at him though. He is great. He is absolutely great. Then we have number 3 of... Oh! Oh, wow. Look at him. Number 3 of 5. All metal on metal. And this is a custom 77 Dodge van with hooker headers right on the side. Hooker headers. This is the premium from Hot Wheels. Metal on metal. This is a metal body. Metal base. Real rubber tires, and look at those tires. My goodness. They are out wide in the open. That is a metal base on there, too. The hooker headers. Wow. And that is fantastic. Then I'm going to show you what's this? This is the Coney. The Coney, and I'm not, or Coney, I don't know, or Cone J, I don't know exactly what that is, or how to say that, but look at this. This is a Volkswagen T1 panel bus, metal on metal, real rubber tires. Look at those slicks right on there. My goodness. Those slicks are jamming, baby. Look at this. The Hot Wheels Premium. 4 out of 5. I believe this is Coney. Wow. Look at that. That is just a fantastic casting right here. My absolute goodness. Look at him. Wow. That is so great. And then we come to the number 5. Number 5 of 5. The Michelin. And what is this? He's metal on metal, but what is it? A custom GMC panel van. Metal on metal. Real rider tires. Real rider tires from Mattel. Wow. That is a Hot Wheels Premium. Look at the Michelin. The Michelin decos are just out there in full force, out there to show everybody that they are Michelin tires. Look at that guy. Now, guys, remember, I just showed you guys these the other day. And remember, I have them all, but I just want to get going right now because what's this? This is the second part of Danny's diecast. Oh. And of course, it is Double Friday, and I just want to bring you guys over and show you these. These are the Greenlight guys, the Barrett-Jackson of Greenlight. I'll spin him around and show you. This is Greenlight, though, and this is, wow, look at Barrett-Jackson. Read all over those customs, these custom parts. I'll try to get that out of the way. And this sold for $300,000. My goodness. And this is, I'm just going to get back to the front here. Because this is the 1968 Plymouth GTX Custom. Wow. With a metal body. That's a metal base on there. Real rubber tires from Greenlight. From Barrett-Jackson. Wow, look at those stripes right up the side, and look at that black hood. My goodness. Painted headlights and taillights. Metal body, metal base. And look at him. Now, guys, don't worry. When I go upstairs, I'm going to take him right out of this plastic. I'm going to take him right out of this. I just don't want to have a lot of stuff down here, guys, to get ruined because I drop stuff going upstairs. I just am all over the place, and that is me in the morning. I drop stuff. I have no legs, so I drop stuff. I just do that. I can't help it, guys. I am just very clumsy in the morning. And I'm very clumsy if I don't drink this coffee. Oh. And I guess, a lot of you guys might say, well, why don't you open them? Why don't you open the cases while you're down here and open? And I would. I do. I mean, I will open this case right now. It might take me a couple minutes to go get a knife over there, but I would open this case right now. Right now. But it's just too much activity and too much, and that is a great 68 Plymouth. Wow. And what is this next? Oh, my goodness. A 1972 Chevrolet K10 4x4 pickup. From the Barrett-Jackson of Greenlight. These are all 1/64th cars. Metal body, metal base, real rubber tires. Painted headlights and taillights. Look at that. Look at those painted. Wow. And this is a blue, looks like a big, beefy blue truck. Look at those tires on there. And my goodness, this is all from Barrett-Jackson. From Greenlight. And this sold for $110,000. Gotta get it up there in the price selling. But that's okay. And look at that. Look at that monster. Wow. And then I'm going to go with the next. Oh, no. Oh. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see this right now. But it is a green machine. It is the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. It is a green machine. I don't care though. You know what? I get upstairs, I look at these and I say, well, yeah, I'll open this one, and then I'll look at those and say, oh, well, I don't want to open up because that's what I do. That's what I do. That's how I make up my game room upstairs, which I will be along to show you guys in another couple weeks. I know you guys just seen them very, very recently. But this is the 1970 with, you can see metal, green metal body, green I should say a green metal base, green metal tires. And wow, and let's see what this monster sold for. This monster, $121,000. And he probably costs a lot more now because he's a green machine. Yes, He probably costs a whole lot more money now because he is officially a green machine. But I don't know if that really matters, but it does in my opinion. Wow, look at that green machine. Jeez. Wow, he is a special looking guy. And look at this. Oh my goodness, a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. And that is a 2020, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I figured I'd throw that one in. A 2020. And yes, the rubber bands are all over him, which I will get them all off of him when we get upstairs. Look at this, and look, $3 million. $3 million he sold for. Wow. My goodness. You sell a car for $3 million, and I'll show you where a bear poops in the woods, because that is just absolutely fantastic. From Barrett-Jackson, from Greenlight, a 1/64th car. And look at him right there, guys. Wow. Look at that. Metal body, metal base on him. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, yes. Oh, wow. And look what I have here. This is the 1969 Chevrolet Copo Camaro. The Copo Camaro from Barrett-Jackson in this set of Barrett-Jacksons from Greenlight, the 1/64th cars, metal body, metal base, painted headlights and taillights. Look at those puppies right there. Painted headlights and taillights. That's a 1969 Copo Camaro. Oh my goodness. And this just so happened to sell for $231,000. Back when it sold to Barrett-Jackson, or from Barrett-Jackson, I'm not sure which. But wow. And look at that, $231,000. Wow. For this 1969 Chevrolet Copo Camaro. And by the way, it's a Copo Camaro, but it's a ZL1. A ZL1 in full effect from Barrett-Jackson, from Greenlight. Oh my goodness. And that is just beautiful. Oh well. Now I'm reaching back here to the last one. To the last car that I have. It's the 2017 Ford GT. Metal body, metal base, and right here they come from Barrett-Jackson, from Greenlight. Wow, I believe this is the Scottsdale, Arizona version of Barrett-Jackson. And wow, and this is a metal body, metal base, real rubber tires. I believe that, yes, oh, if I can just, yes, that's lensed headlights. Lensed headlights, and wow, look at that beautiful red. Look at that beautiful red. Now, when I turn this around, guys, you better be ready. Because it sold for $1.485 million. Just about $1.5 million. This amazing Barrett-Jackson 2017 Ford GT. Look at that car. Look at the sleek lines on this car. Look at the back end. Look at that engine. Wow. That engine is amazing. It is so amazing, guys. Anyway, guys, that was my Double Friday. And don't forget, I'm going to be getting some of them out next week and showing you guys. Oh, what is that? That's a big rig. Wow. I'm going to be getting some of them out and showing you guys them next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Danny's Diecast. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out right here on YouTube. Right here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on Saturday.